Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find the public-facing IP address of a computer using Python. A public IP address is the address that is used to identify your device on the internet. This can be useful for various networking and system administration tasks. We will use the requests library to make an HTTP request to an external service that will provide us with the public IP address. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need to install the requests library if you haven't already. You can install it using pip. Now, let's write the Python code to retrieve the public IP address. We will use the aepinfo.io service, which provides information about your IP address, including its public-facing value. We import the requests library to make an HTTP GET request to the aepinfo.io service. The get_public_IP function sends an HTTP GET request to aepinfo.io and checks if the response status code is 200. Indicating a successful request. If the request is successful, we parse the JSON response to extract the public IP address and return it. If there is an error during the request or parsing the response, an error message is displayed, and none is returned. Finally, we call the get_public_IP function to retrieve the public IP address and print it to the console. In this tutorial, you learned how to find the public-facing IP address of your computer using Python. We used the aepinfo.io service to retrieve this information through an HTTP request. You can use this code for various networking and system administration tasks that require knowledge of your public IP address. ChatGPT.